there's a squirrel in my bird dish. It's so windy outside. He's up there. Oh, I can't see him that clear through the screen. But he's up there. He's in the dish that I put bird seed in. I was looking out the front door and he was eating seeds down there. So you know, he jumped in there and he jumped up there, and look at him standing up. He's hilarious. The wind is wicked today. I gotta put some more seeds out for him. I'm so glad they're back. Thought the wind would keep them away, but nope. Alright, you can't see him that well, but he's up there. He's so cute. I'll put some more seeds out there when he leaves. Well, I'm glad they're finding the seeds no matter where I put them. It's so windy out there, guys. I have to feed them up here because you see the doves. Where do they go? There's one dove. Where'd the other dove go? Oh, they're usually sitting right there on the porch on this side. They're safe from the wind and the pigeons, and they sit here and eat their dinner. And there's, oh, that one's getting empty too. Alright, squirrels are back. Pigeons are always here. I mean, not pigeons, sorry. We don't like pigeons. Doves are here. Yeah, pigeons shit too much. They make a big mess. Doves don't. They got little tiny poops. You guys is cleaning that dish out, isn't he? Alright, guys. Hope you're having a great day. It's so windy out there. Okay, guys. Peace out.